Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today, as I promised you earlier, that Sunday, the second Sunday, will always be a vlog day. So I was just thinking, what do I put as a vlog on this Sunday? Because last Sunday something really bad happened, which literally traumatized me, and I was unable to think and do my actions. So I was literally in a very bad state. So I did not know what to do and what not to, and I did not know what to vlog and why to vlog, because I was literally very sad, and I was really not in the phase of vlogging. So now I was just thinking that what should I vlog, and because I have to put a content as I have promised to people. So today I was feeling a little better, and I thought, why not just talk about the issue, just talk about the thing which happened on the last Sunday, and which literally traumatized me and a lot of people around me. So you all are very familiar with the term suicide, and it feels really bad to see and hear about it. Okay, and when somebody of your own, somebody who is really close to you, commits suicide, it's really painful. Like, I have experienced it, and I have no words how to explain that state of mind of mine. So last Sunday, what happened? I had a junior, 2 years younger than me, and we went to the same school with the same bus, so we were busmates also. And she lives just next to my apartment, is her apartment, so she used to live there, and we had a really good bonding. I used to go at her home on Christmas, and we spend a lot of time together. And she was really a cheerful girl. Her family was so cheerful and amazing, and everything was so nice and you know good. And I never ever thought, her family was so frank and nice. I never ever thought that she will take such a huge step in her life. So she committed suicide the last Sunday, and she literally jumped off her building. And obviously I was the first one to know, because I live just next to her apartment, and it it just broke me down. I don't know how to explain what state I was in, but I was literally thinking of the fact that what happened, I don't know. The reason, I don't know. But what I know is there must be something really huge that was going in her life, and which pushed her to do such a huge thing. I still am getting goosebumps. So yeah. Uh, okay. Okay, what I'm here to say is that um, there are problems in everybody's life. Okay, everybody faces problem, and different kind of problems. Okay, that can be financial problem, that can be family problems, that can be somebody bullying you, somebody body shaming you, somebody talking about your race, somebody molesting you. Different kinds of problems are there, okay, which an individual goes through. Okay, someone has the fear of being a failure, somebody has the fear of losing people, and everybody has different things around them going on, and people are fearful about it, and people are going through different kinds of problem. Even I go through some problems, my family members go through some problems, my friends go through problems. Okay, but what I feel is this is not the solution. Suicide is not the solution. Okay, because I feel every little problem has a solution. Okay, no matter what the problem is. Okay, but I think every problem has got a solution, but suicide is not the solution. It's never the solution. You all have to understand the fact it is the worst thing ever. Okay, if you have any kind of problem in your life, okay, we all go different kind of problems. Always remember, you're not going to the biggest problem ever. Okay, because there are out people who are who are going through more bigger problems than you are going through. Okay, So there are people, going through a lot, but they are strong enough to control themselves and not commit suicide. And you all have to also be strong enough to not commit suicide. Find a solution for your problem यार. फाइंड अ सोल्यूशन. ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है जिसका सोल्यूशन नहीं है. ठीक है, आपको सोल्यूशन नहीं मिल रहा है, आप अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स से बात करें. आपको वहाँ भी सोल्यूशन नहीं मिला, अपने फ्रेंड्स से बात करें. आपको वहाँ भी सोल्यूशन नहीं मिल रहा है, आप खुद ढूंढें. आपको तो भी नहीं मिला, आप हमारे पास आए. ठीक है, I don't know if I will be helping you out the way you want it, okay? But I will stand up for you if your problem is genuine and real, okay? And that's why I have made this video, just to place it in front of you people, that ever do you all face any kind of problem and you don't have a solution for it, nobody around you have a solution for it, you just have to come here, watch this video and know that suicide is not a solution. Watch this video and comment down your problem. Watch this video or go to my Instagram page, DM me there, okay? I will link my Instagram page down below, and just tell me what your problem is, and I will try my level best, okay? I won't say that I'm the best counselor in the world, but there are people around me who comes to me, okay, because they can't share their problem with their family members, so they come up to me, they share their problem, and I try to help them in all the possible ways I can. And I really do. And I'm not bragging about it, I'm just being helpful to you all. I'm just putting a point that if ever do you face a problem, just know that suicide is not the solution, okay? And many a times, you all think, people have that thinking that I should not live anymore because nobody loves me, nobody cares about me, nobody's bothered about me if I'm alive or I die. If people go through these things, I have seen it around me. So what do you do in that case? What do you have to do for that? You have to find one person that you love, or who loves you back, okay? That one creature on this planet. You have to just find one creature, okay, who loves you or whom you love, and you think, okay, I have to live for that person, okay? I have to live for that one particular person, okay? And then you have to live your life for that one person. And even if suppose you are just so terrible in a state where you think that, okay, nobody loves me and I don't love anybody, okay, there is nobody around who loves me, not even a single creature, and nobody loves you around, okay? Suppose like not a single creature loves you around. So what you have to do in that case is go in front of the mirror and look who's standing the other side of the mirror, okay? The person who's standing like on the other side of the mirror is the one who will always love you, so you know what I mean, right? What I mean is, the only person who will always love you is you yourself. You have to learn to love yourself. Self-love, self-care is the first thing, and self-love and self-care never means being selfish. No, it means self-love and self-care means taking care of yourself, loving your own self, okay? It's not about being selfish. So you can love yourself, and you have to love yourself, okay? Because if nobody is loving you around, you are loving yourself, and you are it, man. You're it. You don't need anybody to live your life with, okay? It's just you, and if you are alive, you can live your life the way you feel like and the way you want to, okay? So that is it. What I'm here to say, that suicide is not the solution. Love yourself, okay? And if you love yourself now, you will never commit this thing, even if people say whatever they feel like. Like for me, I am a person who, like you say, थेथर, okay? थेथर है, तो इतने थेथर होना ही चाहिए हर इंसान को जितने हम हैं, कि अगर लोग कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, जो गलत बोल रहे हैं, अगर कोई गलत बोल रहा है आपके आसपास, इग्नोर करने की क्षमता होनी चाहिए आपको, ठीक है? उतनी मेरे में है कि अगर लोग बकवास करते हैं मेरे आसपास, आई जस्ट इग्नोर देम, ओके? इफ समथिंग इज ट्रबलिंग मी, आई जस्ट गेट रिड ऑफ दैट थिंग, ओके? आई जस्ट डोंट be like, oh my god, this person is, or this thing is just troubling me, what do I do? Just get rid of it. get rid of it. Okay. And just just live your life the way you feel like. Okay, you don't have to be dependent on anybody. Okay, you have to live your life on your own. And whatever people say, just ignore. Okay, like if they are putting a comment, or putting a hatred towards you, you have to ignore that. If somebody is trying to put you in a constructive way, try to understand it at first. Okay, just don't think that okay, they are also hating me, that's why they are saying things like that. You're understanding? अगर कोई आके आपको हेट करता है वो भी आपको पता चलता है. अगर कोई आके आपको कंस्ट्रक्टिव वे में कुछ समझाता है कि ये आपने गलती की, आप ऐसे करोगे तो बेहतर होगा, या ये आपका थोड़ा गलत लग रहा है, देयर इज अ वे ऑफ सेइंग, एंड यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, इज इट कमिंग आउट ऑफ हेट और इज इट कमिंग आउट ऑफ कंसर्न, एंड यू हैव टू choose your action wisely. If it is coming out of hate, just block that person out of your life. Okay, and if it is coming out of concern, like welcome it warmly. Okay, try to understand it, try to understand. Okay, because लोगों में भी समझ नहीं होता है. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि वो कंसर्न ही दिखाते होते हैं अपना, बट जो वे में वो दिखा देते हैं, जिस वे में वो बोल देते हैं, वो हेट्रेट में आ जाता है सामने वाले के लिए. पीपल आर लाइक तुम मोटी हो गई हो. ठीक है, तो ये कोई तरीका नहीं होता है कि आप आगे बोलते तुम मोटी हो गई हो. यू कैन जस्ट कम एंड से आई थिंक यू शुड लूज अ लिटिल वेट, और मे बी बहुत अच्छा खाना पीना चल रहा है तुम्हारे यहाँ. हाँ, जस्ट इन अ फन वे, ट्राई टू पुट इट इन अ फन वे. ओके, जस्ट पुटिंग इन अ स्टेटमेंट कि हाँ तुम मोटी हो गई हो, तो दैट कैन हर्ट अ पर्सन. ओके, एंड या that is it. If you have any kind of problem in your life, any kind of problem, okay, any, like, because there are people around me who comes to me and tell me कि यार मेरी फैमिली में ये इशू चल रही है, ऐसे ऐसे होता है. I've seen people. Okay, I have people in my past also who had always been like, my mother gets beaten by my father, who has really literally, I have seen people who comes up to me and tell me, I don't know why do they do that, why do people trust me with such big things, and they come and tell me. There have been times where I have received these kinds of things in my life, where people come and say कि मेरे पापा पी के आते थे और मम्मी को मारते थे, और या फिर मेरे पापा पीते हैं, and this drinking is the worst thing for sure, और ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं. या फिर मेरी मम्मी पापा हमको प्यार नहीं करते, they don't even listen to me, my mom is not even concerned about me. I have people who really say these things to me. Okay, and boyfriend वाले issues तो खैर बहुत ही आते हैं मेरे पास. तो there are issues like that, okay, going around the world, and you have to find a person who can help you out with it. Okay, if you don't find your family members, you don't feel like talking to them about it, you're a little shy about it, go and talk about it to your friends. If not your friends, go and find somebody, some motivational speaker, listen to them. Okay, not even them, come to me, at least share your problem with me, please. I would love to help you out. Okay, I would love to help you out. And yeah, that's it, what I had to say. I'm like, I literally felt like putting this up for you people, putting this up for me. If I will just if with this video, if I will be able to help at least 5 people also, or 1 person also, I think that would be great for me. Okay, that would be really really amazing for me, that at least I helped somebody out of it. Yeah, that's it. And the best thing, what the last suggestion what I would love to give you is, always try to share your problems with your family first. For me, whatever happens to me, whatever do I do in my life, okay, even if I'm trying some kind of thing for the first time in my life, whatever it is, whatever, mind my words, okay, whatever it is, even if I I had a, okay, whatever, even if I try some kind of drinks or some sort of mischief which I do, as I'm a little naughty girl, so whatever I do, the first person I come and tell is my mom, and then my dad. Obviously my dad also gets to know it. It's not that I hide things from my dad. My dad also knows stuffs about me. Okay, and there are some things which you cannot tell your dad, obviously, so you have to share it with your mom for sure, and I do that. I always do that. My mom, my dad, they are somebody I'm not even afraid of sharing stuffs now. They are like my buddies, to be very honest. I'll go and I'll share things with my dad if I have an issue with my friends, my teachers, my anybody around. Okay, they know it. They always know it, and they always help me out. They always do. So the best person to share your problems is your parents, and obviously there are parents to whom you cannot ever share your problems with. In that case, go to your friends. Not your friends, come up to me. I would love to help you out. I literally swear I would love to help you out, and I would just tell you one thing: never ever, you know, commit suicide. That is the worst thing. You don't know, because after you did it, you have no idea what's going around. But the people around you, they suffer, and they literally suffer. I was traumatized, man. I was literally traumatized for 3 days. I did not know what to do and how to do. Today I was feeling a little better, and I thought, what to do. I thought this is the way I can reach a lot of people, and just share my point on such a big issue that always happens around. So yeah, that's it, what I had to say. I would just wish nobody ever commits suicide. That's it. And yeah, one more thing that I would love to say is, like, you people who are watching it, if you think that you can help out people, please comment it down below, so that whosoever it is, if they don't want to reach me, maybe they will read your comment and they will reach you. And others, you can just see my Instagram ID in my description, and you can just come and talk to me in my DM if you really have any kind of issue. And I would love you all to share this video as much as you can, because I want this to reach a lot of people, so that people get to know what really is going around, and people get to understand and console themselves. Okay, so I think this will help a lot of people. This video will help a lot of people. That is my point of view. I don't know if it really will, but I would love you all to share this video as much as you can, so that people at least reach to me if they have any trouble. Okay, and yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video and having so much patience to listen to me. And yeah, that is it. And thank you so much to all the people who have subscribed to me. We are 100 subscribers now, and even more, so I'm so happy about it. And do subscribe to my channel. Okay, love you all.